Hello children, now we will solve questions from problem set 8. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answers for the following multiple choice questions. First sub question. Which of the following statement is true? First option is given sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Second is given cos theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. Third option is given sin theta equal to tan 90 minus theta, and fourth option given is tan theta equal to tan 90 minus theta. So which of the following statement is true? Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. This statement is true. Sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So A option is correct, that is sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Second sub question. Which of the following is the value of sin 90 degree? So first option is given root 3 upon 2, second is 0, third option is 1 upon 2, and fourth option is 1. But the value of sin 90 degree, the value of sin 90 degree is 1. So D option is correct, that is 1. Third sub question. 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 45 degree minus sin 45 degree equal to dash. So find out the value of 2 tan 45 degree plus cos 45 degree minus sin 45 degree. First option is 0, second option is 1, third option is 2, and fourth option is 3. Students, 2 tan 45 degree means 2 into tan 45 degree, and tan 45 degree is 1. The value of tan 45 degree is 1, means 2 into 1, plus cos 45 degree, the value of cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. So plus 1 upon root 2 minus, and the value of sin 45 degree is also 1 upon root 2. So 2 into 1 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. So plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 is 0. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So C option is correct, that is 2. Fourth sub question. What is the value of cos 28 degree upon sin 62 degree? So student, change cos into sin or change sin into cos. So you can change, we know cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So cos 28 degree equal to sin 90 minus 28 degree. So sin 90 minus 28 degree upon sin 62 degree. But sin 90 minus 28 is 62 degree. So sin 62 degree upon sin 62 degree. So sin 62 degree upon sin 62 degree is 1. So first option is given 2, second is given minus 1, third is given 0, fourth option is given 1. So cos 28 upon sin 62 degree is 1. So D option is correct, that is 1. Now question number 2. In right angle triangle TSU, TS is 5, angle S equal to 90 degree, SU equal to 12. Then find sin T, cos T, tan T. Similarly, find sin U, cos U, and tan U. We know sine ratio, it is the ratio of opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cosine ratio, it is the ratio of adjacent side upon hypotenuse. And tangent ratio, it is the ratio of opposite side upon adjacent side. So in triangle TSU, angle S is given 90 degree. TS is given 5 units, SU is given 12 units. So first use Pythagoras theorem and find out hypotenuse, that is TU. So in triangle UST, angle S is 90 degree. So you can, it is a right angle triangle. So you can use Pythagoras theorem. US square plus ST square equal to UT square. US square plus ST square equal to UT square. Use Pythagoras theorem. But US is given 12. So substitute here 12. US square means 12 square plus the value of ST is given 5. So ST square means 5 square. So 12 square plus 5 square equal to UT square. 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25 equal to, and 144 plus 25 is 169 equal to UT square. Now taking square root. So 169 equal to UT square. Therefore UT equal to 13, because 13 square is 169 and square root of 169 is 13. Therefore UT equal to 13. Now this UT is 13. Now sin T. So first find out sin T. We know sine ratio means it is the ratio of opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So for T, opposite side is SU and adjacent side is TS. For U, opposite side is TS and adjacent side is SU, and TU is your hypotenuse because opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse. So sin T means US upon UT, opposite side upon hypotenuse, equal to US is given 12. So substitute here 12. 12 upon and UT is 13. So substitute here 13 because UT is 13. So 12 upon 13. So sin T equal to 12 upon 13. Next, cos T. Cosine ratio, it is the ratio of adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and for this T, adjacent side is ST and hypotenuse is UT. So cos T equal to ST upon UT, but the value of ST is 5. So substitute here 5 and the value of UT is 13. Substitute here 13. So cos T equal to 5 upon 13. Now tan T. Tangent ratio, it is the ratio of opposite side upon adjacent side, and opposite side of angle T is US and adjacent side is ST. So tan T equal to US upon ST. Now substitute the value of US. US is 12. So substitute here 12 and ST is 5 units. So substitute here 5. So tan T equal to 12 upon 5. Similarly, we can find out sin U. Sin U means opposite upon hypotenuse means ST upon UT. For U, opposite side is ST and adjacent side is SU and TU is your hypotenuse. So sin U equal to opposite upon hypotenuse means ST upon UT and ST is 5. So substitute 5 and UT is 30. So sin U equal to 5 upon 30. Cos U means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So US upon UT. The value of US is 12. So substitute here 12 and the value of UT is 13. So substitute here 13. So cos U equal to 12 upon 13. Cos U equal to 12 upon 13. Now next is tan U. Tan U means opposite side upon adjacent side, and opposite side is ST and adjacent side is US. And the value of ST is 5. Substitute here 5 and the value of US is 12. So substitute here 12. So tan U equal to 5 upon 12. So sin U equal to 5 upon 13, cos U equal to 12 upon 13 and tan U equal to 5 upon 12. Students, question number 3 is homework. It is same like question number 2.